So you want to make or restore an iTunes backup on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. For this you will need iTunes installed on a computer. I'll use a Windows computer and an iPhone 5s, but the process is the same with other iOS devices and iTunes on Mac. Let's start with making a backup. Open iTunes on the computer. Connect the cable between your computer and your iPhone. Tap Trust on the iPhone and enter your passcode. Then click the iPhone icon in the top left corner of iTunes. In the lower right corner, you'll find the section Manual Backup and Restore. Click on the button Backup Now. In the mid-top of iTunes, you can follow the course. When the loading bar is gone, the backup is done. So what if you want to restore an iTunes backup? First off, keep in mind that the only things you will have on the device after restoring a backup is the content of the backup. Everything you have on the phone right now, which isn't included in the backup, will be gone. To restore an iTunes backup, we first need to turn off Find My iPhone. There are different ways to do it. The simplest way is to go to Settings on the device. Tap your name. Tap iCloud. Scroll down and tap Find My iPhone. Deactivate Find My iPhone and enter your Apple ID password. If you have trouble to turn off Find My iPhone, I got a whole video on how to turn off Find My iPhone. Link is in the description. When Find My iPhone is turned off, we'll go back to the computer and iTunes. Click on Restore Backup. A window pops up. In the list you can choose what backup you want to use. Since I only have one, I just click Restore. The iPhone begins to restore the backup. You'll see a message that tells you not to disconnect the iPhone. Follow those instructions. But when you see greetings in different languages, it's time to disconnect the cable. Push down the home button, enter your passcode, and now you'll see that the restore is complete. Enter your Apple ID password, and now you can open your phone, and soon you can start using it just as usual again. But first, the apps that was included in the backup needs to download from App Store. Keep in mind that large apps may not download if you are not connected to a Wi-Fi. After that, you are all done. If you have any problems during this process, there is a link to Apple's instructions regarding this and the phone number to Apple support in the video description. We have just reached 60,000 views, which is so great, and I just want to thank you for that. If you want me to make a video about something special, send me a message or leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.